documenting some damage around here. This ladder was from the No Habla Inglés Sitec workers that came in to investigate the roof after the hurricane, and we have that paperwork as well. He was saying no leak over here. And I want to show you a little, well, a chubby, not so little man climbed on this, and I want to show you what has happened to the hearth. Now, mind you, this is a 250, 300-pound man climbing quickly up the ladder. This is chipped, and you know, over time with vacuuming, this is what's left. So, he also left the ladder. We will put it in the closet that they have left open. See? They have the key. They just left it like this. What other stuff did I want to document? Oh, they took off the door in the bathroom, right? And there's the pins from, they never put this back on, and they didn't give us 24-hour notice to come back and fix it. They also, there were closet doors on here. You ask them where those are. They had them set out on the landing. So, yo no sé. I don't know where this is. This is what we've been paying for and living with for almost a year.